In this day and age, it's easy for anyone to take photos, and it's because the photography industry has developed so much over time. Even phones have strong camera features that compete with other professional cameras. From compact digital cameras and DSLR cameras to phone cameras, there are so many to choose from. So if you are interested in taking photographs and looking to buy a camera, then this video is for you because we are going to be taking a look at the types of cameras used in photography. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. DSLR Cameras. DSLR cameras are the most popular cameras worldwide. DSLRs have better autofocus features compared to point-and-shoot cameras, allowing you to focus and shoot faster to capture more high-quality images. They also offer a wider selection of interchangeable lenses, longer battery life, and better low-light shooting thanks to the optical viewfinder. Also, you have complete control over a DSLR, as well as being able to use semi and fully automatic modes that make photography even easier, especially if you're a beginner. These all factors make the DSLR camera ideal for people who are getting started in photography. Some of the best DSLR cameras are Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, Nikon D850, and Panasonic Lumix G7. Number 2. Mirrorless Cameras. Mirrorless cameras are the choice of many professional and amateur photographers. Electronic viewfinders are now almost indistinguishable from their optical counterparts, and they bring other advantages such as live histograms, zebras, and focus magnification. Without the mirror system found in DSLRs, these cameras are often slightly smaller, too. Other advantages include silent shooting, autofocus that can find and follow a person's eye or track objects, and the ability to shoot a burst of images incredibly quickly. Some of the best mirrorless cameras are Sony Alpha 7, Fujifilm X-T4, and Olympus Omdi EM10. Number 3. Point-and-shoot cameras. These cameras are also known as compact cameras. They are designed to be small and easy to use, allowing a photographer to grab a great image in a wide range of situations. Smaller options don't have a viewfinder, just an LCD screen on the back. Most compacts are pocketable, fairly durable, not too expensive, and have relatively good battery life. However, you can't change lenses, images can be noisy, autofocus often won't be as fast, dynamic range isn't great, and the image resolution tends not to be as high. Some of the good point-and-shoot cameras are Olympus TUF TG6, Fujifilm XP140, and Canon PowerShot SX740. Number 4. Instant cameras. Instant cameras might feel a bit out of place in our digitally perfect world, but this is exactly why they have so much charm. The analog imperfection is a throwback to photography's rich history. You get to watch your image slowly appear in front of your eyes, and you end up with a physical print that you can hold in your hands. Unlike a digital camera, you won't have to deal with photo editing software, making the photography experience far simpler, and arguably much more enjoyable too. Some of the best instant cameras are Polaroid Go, Fujifilm Instax Square SQ6, and Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro. Number 5. Film cameras. Shooting on film is different from digital on many levels. Film cameras make you more considered and deliberate in your image making, and the physicality of loading the camera and knowing that your photographs are occurring as a chemical process is very satisfying. The film also compares well to the quality and high resolution of today's digital cameras, and the superior dynamic range and distinctive look and feel given by film cameras mean that many photographers still prefer it. Some of the best film cameras are Canon A1, Pentax K1000 and Leica M6. Number 6. Bridge cameras. Bridge cameras sit between compact cameras and DSLR mirrorless cameras. They give the level of control and ergonomics you'd find on a DSLR, but without the option to change the lens. Bridge cameras are great for simplifying the photography experience. You get most of the features of other cameras on the market without the complications and expense of interchangeable lenses. Some of the good bridge cameras are Panasonic Lumix FZ1000, Sony RX10, and Canon PowerShot SX70Hs. Number 7. Action cameras. Action cameras are tiny devices that go anywhere and attach to anything. These types of cameras are an extreme sports enthusiast's dream and make photography possible in places previously unimaginable. The amount of image stabilization on recent models is remarkable, far more advanced than even the most expensive mirrorless or DSLR cameras. Many are waterproof, and even 360-degree cameras. Some of the good action cameras are GoPro, Insta360 are 1-inch edition, and DJI Action 2. Number 8. Smartphone cameras. Smartphone cameras have put a huge dent in sales of other types of digital cameras over the last decade, and the technology keeps getting better. Today, almost everyone has a powerful digital camera in their pocket. As well as front-facing cameras, smartphones now pack multiple lenses. Smartphones also offer night mode that intelligently blends multiple exposures on the fly to make poorly lit scenes much brighter. Some of these smartphones are even waterproof, and this helps explore underwater photography. Some of the good smartphones are Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, Google Pixel 6 Pro, and iPhone 14. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.